This video demonstrates the brioche right slanted decrease. Its abbreviation is brRsl DEC. It is a 2-stitch decrease that slants to the right and involves 3 stitches. So, I'm going to show you 2 ways to do it. One way is to slip the first brioche stitch as if to knit, that's the key there, as if to knit onto the right hand needle. You're going to knit the next stitch, which is actually your brioche purl from the other row. So it seems kind of weird, but you're going to knit that. Then you're going to bring this brioche stitch that you slipped over the stitch that you just made. Then you're going to slip that stitch back over to the left hand side and take the next brioche stitch and slip it over. Okay, and now you can see how it slants to the right. Okay, I will show you holding the yarn in the other hand. Okay, so I'm going to slip this stitch. Okay, now you slip the first brioche stitch as if to knit. Then you knit the next stitch. You want to make sure that you still have your yarn over. That's the biggest thing that usually happens when people do decreases. They forget to do the yarn over for the stitch before. Okay, then I'm going to take the brioche stitch and slip it over. Pass it over, I guess you could say. Okay, now I slip the stitch back over to the left hand needle, take the next brioche stitch and pass it over. And again, it makes a right leaning decrease. Okay? Okay. So now I'm going to show you the way that I like to do them. It's a little bit different. Like I said, I try and treat it like a slip-slip purl. Excuse me, slip-slip knit. So what you're going to do is you're going to slip that first stitch as if to knit, put it back on the left hand needle, and then knit through the back of it and the back of the next stitch. Then slip that stitch back over to the left hand needle and pass the next brioche stitch over. And again, it makes a nice leaning to the right. Okay. Do another one here. Oops, that's a slip one. Okay. Slip the first stitch as if to knit, put it back on the left hand needle, knit through the back of it and the next stitch, slip that stitch over, voila. Okay, again, it's leaning to the right. So that is 2 different ways that you can try to do the right decrease.